This is a brand new 2013 Acura TL. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice recognition, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 8-way power adjustable seats, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.